What do you have to do first?
If I learn to ride this tractor, you promise to get a haircut.
I will get a haircut.
Promise?
I promise, and it's on video.
You better.
Yeah.
Because if you don't, you're grounded for life.
Okay.
You said you would get a haircut.
Yeah. Now what do you think you do first?
Just tell me, because I don't know.
Alright. See that pedal? See the pedal?
If you go and put this on YouTube, I am going to kick you to the moon.
See that pedal? Look at the pedal. Put your foot on the pedal. And just do it. Come on.
Okay.
No.
Come on.
No. Press it. There you go. Now what do you think you do?
Beep, beep.
No. Turn the key while holding that pedal. Alright, hold on. Press on the pedal. Now do it. Okay. Now what do you think you do?
I don't know. Tell me.
Okay. Do you have the pedal down still?
Yeah?
See that gear shift right there?
Yeah?
Put it in 1. Oh, great. Put it in neutral.
Should I keep my foot here?
Yeah. Okay, now put it in 1.
How do you do that?
Just push it in 1 like you did. Push it in small.
Okay.
Okay. Now slowly let go of the pedal.
Slowly let go?
Yeah.
Put on the brake?
Yeah.